The F-35 is the world's largest defence equipment program that will produce over 3,000 strike fighter aircraft in 3 variants for a number of countries. The program supports thousands of British industry jobs. The aircraft is made by Lockheed Martin, with Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems as primary subcontractors. Now, look to your left and you will see the pilot coming in for the first of 2 high-speed passes. Ladies and gentlemen, the F-35B Lightning. The Lightning is referred to as a 5th-generation air platform, the most advanced in the world, due to its combination of integrated sensors, weapons technology, and its low observability or stealth properties. Stealth technology allows the aircraft to fly in enemy airspace without being detected by radars that older aircraft cannot evade. The combination of stealth features, the APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar, the electronic warfare suite, advanced optics, and the ability to carry weapons internally means that the Lightning can engage targets at long ranges whilst avoiding detection. The Lightning is capable of speeds of up to Mach 1.6, that's 1.6 times the speed of sound, and can fly at heights of up to 50,000 feet. The highly advanced fly-by-wire control system makes it extremely agile and reduces pilot workload. Now look to your left and you will see some of that agility now as the aircraft comes back for a minimum radius turn near show centre. From land and sea, from RAF in Norfolk, and from the decks of Britain's biggest warships. The Queen Elizabeth class aircraft carriers are being built in Scotland and are the only aircraft carriers in the world designed specifically for the F-35B Lightning. Now get those cameras ready. As the aircraft returns to crowd centre, the pilot will complete a slow pass that shows the profile of the aircraft to give you the best camera angle possible. The pilot is now manoeuvring to configure the aircraft for STOVL flights, short takeoff and vertical landing. Approaching crowd centre, he'll command the aircraft to change to STOVL mode by pressing a single button in the cockpit. You will see several doors opening. The large door on the top of the aircraft, just behind the canopy, is the upper lift fan door, exposing the powerful lift fan that allows the aircraft to hover. You will also see the doors at the rear of the aircraft, which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle, which is manufactured by Rolls-Royce in Bristol, to rotate downwards. technologies in the world. Its short takeoff and vertical landing capability will see it serve on board Britain's new Queen Elizabeth class carriers and to work out of locations inaccessible to conventional tactical aircraft. The Lightning brings the most powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package than any fighter aircraft in history. Pilot Hugh Nichols will now bring the aircraft to a hover at Crowd Centre. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine and roll control nozzles, collectively generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This ability to hover is unique to the F-35B variant and is what allows it to be based on board aircraft carriers and in austere environments. Now let's listen to the power of that engine. from the hover to set up for a vertical landing on a pad installed on the north side of the airfield. This pad is constructed from both aluminium and aluminum planks and positioned between the taxiway and runway in the same way it would be if built in an austere environment. The pad was installed by a joint field engineering team from the US Marine Corps and our very own Royal Engineers.
Oh, thanks. Nice.
You'll notice that as the aircraft is in the hover, the advanced flight control system is constantly making minor adjustments to the stowable actuators to maintain the body of the aircraft in a stable hover. This significantly reduces pilot workload, as such tasks were done manually in previous stowable aeroplanes.
If you always drink your beer when it's cold, you go, ooh, yeah, but you don't.
After touchdown, the pilot will command the aircraft to convert back to conventional mode. This causes the lift band to disengage and all the doors to close. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the demonstration of the F-35B Lightning. The Royal Air Force, Royal Navy and United States Marine Corps hope you've enjoyed this awesome display of the future of combat air power.
Thank you very much, Hoggy. A wonderful display of hovering there from the F-35B, and now it's over to Squadron Leader Mike Ling.